Good morning, friends. I, Professor Y. Mahadev. Today we have studied details to assembly in mechanical working drawing. In that we study details to assembly of plummer block, that is a pedestal bearing. So let's start. So let's study the plummer block. Plummer block is also known as pedestal bearing. This bearing is widely used in textile, marine, and some other applications in industries. This bearing is useful for long shaft require intermediate supports. These bearings are preferred in the place of ordinary bush bearing. It was named after its inventor Plummer. This bearing can be placed anywhere along the shaft lengths. It is used for shaft rotating at high speed for needing frequent replacement of bushes. It is also known as steps due to wear and tear of bushes, which are made up of brass, phosphor bronze, gunmetal having raised collar up to ends and prevention the bushes from sliding along the axis. So let's see the details. So this have details parts of the pedestal bearing or plumber block. The shaft is made up of mild steel. The bushes are made into two halls to facilitate the easy assembly or disassembly of the brasses of the shaft. It is the body is made up of cast iron with a rectangular slot having elongated holes and adjustment into two holes with hexagonal nuts and bolts. The cap is made up of cast iron as shown in figure. It rests in brass fits on the body at cap. So it a countersunk hole is provided to top of the cap. A bush to hold lubricant is necessary to reducing the friction between the shaft and the bushes. So let's start. The figure shows details of the plumber block. Assemble the part correctly and draw the scale 1:1. Top view, half section view. So it shows first is a base or body. Then second is a second is a brass. Third is a cap and fourth is a nut. So how to draw the first? Firstly draw the body with left half shaft view, left side view. So firstly draw the center line, draw the body. So having bodies upper 20 mm sides. So total length 250 mm. Draw the so with the help of 70 mm draw the all views. Then draw same shape which is given in the body. So after that draw the cap. So with the help of that cap is fitted on that brass. So as per dimension, it in between that shows the gaps 80 mm. So with the help of that draw the cap. So it shows oil hole for lubrication purpose. So in figure it shows half view. So it is draw in the way of half views. So next stud or bolt. So with the help of that blue color shows bolt. So in this way, so next which is shown in the top view nut. So with the help of that draw the nut. So this is a views of nut. So lock nut, which is shown in figure. Draw the lock nut. So draw the hatching line, which is actually in so half section, so which is a cutting section. So it is shown with the help of hatching line, 45 lines. So this is a groove for lubrication purpose. So draw in also top upper line brass. So this is a dimensional assembly drawing of plummer block. So thank you.